everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today I'm going to be making some cards using the double time technique and using the beautiful Flowing Flowers stamp set. Now you'll find this stamp set in the January to June 2022 mini catalogue, and you'll find that on page 36, and it is just a lovely stamp set in distinctive ink, so it looks more realistic, and beautiful samples in the catalogue as well, which you can copy. This time I want to show you how to do some double time stamping. It's a really easy technique and makes for a lovely card. So today I'm going to be using a colour I have not used since I could not tell you when, but it is Merry Merlot out of our neutrals range. So 3 pieces of cardstock is all I want for this one. I want an A4 base cut in half, and we'll just make that into a card base. So I'm going to use that. I have a 6.5 centimetre by 11 centimetre mat in the Merry Merlot, which I don't need right this second, but I do have a 6 centimetre by 10.5 centimetre piece of basic white. So with this piece, all I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a mini glue dot and just pop a piece of that on the back. And I just want to try and make it a bit untacky from the bottom, so I'll just put some oils from my finger on it. Now all I'm going to do is pop this piece on top of here. Now I'm going to do a middle, kind of somewhere roughly in the middle, so just eyeball where you think is the middle of your card. Rightio, pop that down, and I'm using the Thank You and this gorgeous flower here. So some Merry Merlot ink, and we want to ink up our floral image here, our beautiful flower, and I want to stamp that. Now I'm going to stamp that up here in the top over the two pieces of cardstock, so that it'll go off and on, just like that. I am actually going to put my thank you next, because I want to make sure I have room for my thank you, which I will just pop somewhere there in the middle, roughly. And back to, now I'm going to see how they've got the line of where it misses that piece of cardstock. I'm just going to wipe that off on a piece of scrap paper, and now ink up my image again, and I'm going to pop that down in the bottom side corner. I want to get not the U, and I want to get it off the page, and that is just what I want to see. Okay, so this is how to create this card. This is simple as. Now I do like this with the white space there. Now you'll see you've got the line here that does not work. Never fear, that's what this piece of Merry Merlot cardstock is for. Okay, so we're going to pull this piece off. Now I'll spin it in the circle and pull it so it doesn't break. Now what we can do is just remove that glue dot, which I will use with my fingernails, maybe, perhaps. Yes, I will. Doesn't need to come off, but I do want it. Okay, grab some multi-purpose liquid glue, and I'm just going to glue this piece to my Merry Merlot piece. Da 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 da. and glue my Merlot piece to the base. Now this is a very simple card, is it not? But it's beautiful and effective. Well, I reckon it is anyway. And see that Merlot piece fills in your gap of where those white spaces were. And this is a very simple card. I'll show you another one where I did make another one in rich raspberry. I kind of like those dark tones with this. Lovely cards. I think I'm heading in the wrong direction. Okay, I'm going to show you one now using all our tealy, guess you could call it tealy kind of colours. Our pretty bright ones, our Bermuda Bay and our Coastal Cabana and our Pool Party. And we'll fill in a bit of that space that I left blank on this last one. So I have a nice clean big flower, and let's bring in these ones. So again, I have 6 centimeters by 10.5 centimeters in the basic white and 6.5 by 11 in the Bermuda Bay and an A4 base. So we can make our base and easy peasy, and grab a mini glue dot, attach it to the back or not. You stuck now. Tacky, 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 and place it somewhere in the middle. You can actually place it offside if you like, but I like it in the middle. I call pick it in the middle. So that is ready to go. Now, with this one, I'm going to do some Bermuda Bay on this nice big stamp. Inky, inky, inky. Just make sure we got some ink. Oh, come in from the other angle on this one. Inky, inky. Inky, inky. And let's see. We may need some more. Some Coastal Cabana. I'm going to use this lovely image here, but I'm not going to use the leaf side. So I'm just going to come in. That is very dry, that ink pad. Let's hope we've got enough ink. So come in from here. And I'm going to come in from the bottom. Kind of did miss a bit there, but that's okay. And then the Pool Party, I'll come in with the smallest image with the three flowers and the splotchy bits. So I'll have one at the top. We've got some edging off that, but that's okay. And we'll run off to the side. Aha! I'm getting it on here. Doesn't matter. Does not matter. It's all about showing you how to do it. Not about the perfection. Is that what we say? Now, you notice I didn't leave much room here for a sentiment because I thought I would put a sentiment on either the Pool Party or the Coastal Cabana. Let's stick the bottom on first. Let's stick the, get me glue dot off there. Okay, some multi-purpose liquid glue and a touch that one to there. And then some more multi-purpose glue. I'm going to touch up onto there. So you can just line up where this flower and this flower and this flower, and all of them are meant to go. Now, you could even have this going this way, which I might even do. Or will I do it this way? Now, do we like this one or do we like this one? Oh, either or. Either or. But I think I'll do the sentiment on using, where are you? Coastal Cabana. On the Bermuda Bay. Bermuda Bay on Coastal Cabana. And we'll do a happy birthday this time. Oh, Jano, we are getting a mess. Turn her over. Why am I getting it on the edge? I must be pressing too hard on my ink pad. Tap, tap. Just kiss the ink pad. And don't press down too hard when we stamp. Nope, we've still got some there. Are you going to fit that way? Maybe. Give it a clean. Give it a clean. Try again. Tap, tap. Beautiful. Okay, and grab my tailored tag punch and grab it a bit and punch down. And we get a nice tag. I got ink everywhere. Oh look, I could even put that there and I can hide that. But it's gonna, I've got a white spot there. Or we can turn it this way. Or go on this way. I think I like it going this way, like so. Okay, I might even pop that up on some dimensional. 1, 2, and maybe 3. Yeah, I like that one going that way. Okay, so that is one that's all filled in the Bermuda Bay, Coastal Cabana and Pool Party, or the Merry Merlot one. Now also you could actually do this and have your, say your Merry Merlot as the base and mount it on another piece of cardstock. So you do see this as your background, but there is nothing wrong with it just on the basic white, I reckon. I kind of like this one. So this is my double time stamping with flowing flowers. I do hope you like these cards, and if you want to give them a try, any questions, just reach out to me. That's what I'm here for. Thanks for spending time with Miss Jane today, and until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.